Hi, first graders. Our new big book is called Run, Jump, Swim, Poems About Animals. So we're going to do something a little bit different with our big book this week. Usually, I read the book once, and then we read it together the second time. Because this book is so long, I'm going to read the entire book once, and then each day, you're going to go back and reread one of the poems. So for example, on Monday, you're going to listen to me read the entire book, and then you're going to go back and read the Animal Fair together. And then on Tuesday, you're going to listen to me read the entire book, and then you're going to go back and reread A Dog from New York. And then Wednesday, same thing. You listen to me read the entire book, and then you'll go back and reread Hey Diddle Diddle. So we're going to be reading this big book for this week and next week because it's so long. So these are all poems about animals. So you can see from our table of contents, we're going to be reading 7 poems about animals in this book. So remember, you're listening to me read and following along. The Animal Fair. I went to the Animal Fair. The birds and the beasts were there. The big baboon, by the light of the moon, was combing his long red hair. The monkey bumped the skunk and sat on the elephant's trunk. The elephant sneezed and fell to his knees, and that was the end of the monk. The monk, the monk, the monk, the monk, the monk, the monk. This poem is called A Dog from New York. There once was a dog from New York who loves snacking on chicken and pork. When he saw a big cat, he said, "Go away, scat," and he chased it away with his fork. This poem is called Hey Diddle Diddle. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Over in the meadow. Over in the meadow, in the sand and the sun, lived an old mother turtle, and her little turtle one. Dig, said the mother. Dig, said the one. So they dug all day in the sand and the sun. Over in the meadow, where the stream runs blue, lived an old mother fish, and her little fishes too. Swim, said the mother. Swim, said the two. So they swam all day, where the stream runs blue. Over in the meadow, in a hole in a tree, lived an old mother owl and her little owls 3. Who, said the mother. Who, said the 3. so they hooed all day in a hole in a tree. This poem is called The Elephant. The elephant goes like this, like that. He's terribly big, and he's terribly fat. He has no fingers, but he has big toes. And goodness gracious, what a nose! Green speckled frogs. 3 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there were 2 green speckled frogs. Glump, glump. Two green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there was 1 green speckled frog. Glump, glump. One green and speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there were no green speckled frogs. Glump, glump. And our last poem is Animal Crackers. Animal crackers and cocoa to drink. That is the finest of suppers, I think. When I'm grown up and can have what I please, I think I shall always insist upon these. Okay, first graders, that is the end of our book about animal poems. So remember, if you look on the slide deck for each day, you'll see this video, and then you'll see directions on which poem to reread that day. So again, on Monday, you'll listen to this whole video and read the book, listen to me reading the book, and then you'll reread the Animal Fair. Tuesday, you'll listen to this whole video and listen to me reading the book, and then you will reread A Dog from New York. Okay, let us know if you have any questions. I hope you enjoy this book, and we'll see you soon.